Thanks for sticking around during the ads. Please feel free to click on the icons shown to be taken to areas where you can help us. All links will be below for mobile and other users.
Hello everybody, my name's Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViewsNope, and today we're doing another Beekeeper's Tool application coding video. Now as far as this one goes, we're not going to do any tutorials. In this, you can use this as a tutorial, but basically I need to take a lot of the knowledge that we gained from my previous videos and implement it to flesh out, and that way we can actually have a more functional thing to run with. Now as far as things goes, I will be adding another, I don't know if it's Java or a XML layout, I'm not really sure yet, but basically something where I can keep all my comments. So for example, I want to add a some ability where you can export your information of your hives and stuff by Google Drive or Dropbox, probably both. A ability where you can take voice notes, an ability where somehow the phone can recognize a hive from one to the next. Maybe NFC. That's probably, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, probably NFC is probably going to be the way to go. The other ways is maybe a barcode reader, maybe a mixer, I don't know. I really don't know yet, and I never coded that before, so it'll be new for both of us. And there's going to be a couple other things I'll add to it. So keep in mind that. Also keep in mind that the code that I will be doing, it will be down in GitHub. Check out that whenever you get a chance, and feel free to modify and do whatever with that code. But anyways, as far as things goes, I'm pretty much going to be quiet unless if there's something I want to point out through the video. And that way I can listen to Pandora in the background and I can speed up the coding process. But anyways, see you guys at the end. And that's it. So anyways, hopefully you guys learned something, and please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, share, and also please feel free to go ahead and tell me what you want to learn in the future. Again, all code will be in GitHub, and there's plenty of ways to get to it, but check the links below. If you don't like this, go ahead and leave a dislike and tell me why, so I can fix it in future videos. Again, this has been Craig Bennett, founder and owner of TechViewsNope, and hope you have a great day.